All right, hey everybody, how's it going? So today we are taking a look at the HyperX Quadcast S USB microphone for the PC, Mac, PlayStation 4, and PlayStation 5. This microphone does include a tap to mute sensor, an internal pop filter, gain control adjustment, customizable lighting, and this microphone is designed for streaming. So let's go ahead and open up the box so that way we can get our eyes on this beautiful streaming microphone by HyperX. All right, so open up the box. We have the instruction manual located right here at the top. All right, so just look at that microphone. Beautiful. So the microphone does come on a stand, so that way you can put it down in front of you. It has the control knob is located right here on the back. Right here on the side, you can adjust the position of the microphone and simply tighten that down once you have the position that you want for the microphone. Now, if you want to use this microphone on a microphone stand, they do have an attachment right here, so that way you can attach this to any type of standard microphone stand if you don't want to use it as a desktop microphone. Then you also have the Type-C USB cable for plugging this into your PC, Mac, or PlayStation. So let's go ahead and plug this up so that way we can do a microphone test so we can check out the clarity of this HyperX microphone. All right, so this is a test of the HyperX Quad S microphone, doing a microphone test just to check out the quality of this microphone. All right, so this is a test of the HyperX Quad S microphone, doing a microphone test just to check out the quality of this microphone. All right, so there you go. That was a audio test of this microphone. Hopefully you guys love the way that this sounds. I know this thing looks beautiful. Down here at the bottom, you can adjust the volume of the microphone. There's also a headphone jack located right here on the back of the microphone as well, which is super convenient. Hopefully this video helped you guys out with making your purchase. Once again, this is the HyperX Quadcast S RGB streaming microphone for the PC, Mac, PlayStation 4, and PlayStation 5. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and I will see you on the next one.